So for today's video, I'm going to share with you 7 online jobs. Well, some of them ay hindi nagre-require ng experience and most of them ay no interview during the application process. So first on our list is being a remarkable AI expert. Ayan, so finally, nakahanap na rin tayo ng expert online job kasi ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-in-demand and gustong-gusto ng mga audiences natin. Unang-una sa lahat dahil non-voice, tapos free time pa siya. Diba? And we are going to talk about more benefits dito sa job post nila mismo. So, actually, itong job post ni Remarkable AI Expert sa Chatdesk, marami yan sa recruitment page nila. So, merong mga job posts specifically for North Americans, South Americans, pero dito sa mismong website na to is for international, meaning kahit saan ka sa mundo is you will be able to send your application here. Remarkable AI Experts are freelance customer support agents who help companies provide the best support for their customers through social channels, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and email. So, yun, you will be communicating with customers, and kung meron silang katanungan regarding sa product, kung saan ka nagtatrabaho, you will be answering their questions. So, it is actually similar with expert.com, if I'm not mistaken. Kumbaga, parang you will be answering queries lang, questions regarding the product that you are working with. Here are the benefits of being an expert. Una-una sa lahat is choose your own schedule. You can work from anywhere, support your favorite brands, and unlimited earning potential. Kasi syempre, the more na marami ka nakakausap, the more na marami ka ring ma-earn, diba, na pera. So, dito sa job post na to, may kita natin yung key responsibilities, basic qualifications. So, ito mag-dwell in tayo dito sa basic qualifications. No prior customer service experience required. No, really, we mean it. Binigyan pa nila ng diin, diba? Kumbaga, binigyan nila ng emphasis itong no customer service experience required. So, maganda dito is this can be your turning point or stepping stone when it comes to online jobs, diba? Must have computer or laptop with internet access. So, yun nga lang guys, downside sa mga gustong phone lang mag-work. So, for sure, syempre, as a chat support, kailangan talaga is you will be using a keyboard. So, kailangan meron kang computer or laptop. Kasi you have to communicate really fast with multiple clients or multiple customers. High proficiency in English grammar and punctuation. Kasi most of the time, you will be chatting. So, it means that kailangan magaling ka in written communication. Professional fluency in other languages is a plus. So, ayun, most of the information here is hindi ko na i-discuss pa sa video na to. If you're interested to apply, you can fill out this application form na nakalagay din mismo dito sa kanilang website. So, by the way, it is linked in the description box below. And you also have the option to connect your Indeed profile just in case you have. Alright? So, that's it for our first online job na pinag-usapan natin, which is being a remarkable AI expert dito sa Chatdesk. So next, guys, is we are going to talk about is being a translator dito sa Translated, diba? Nasa pangalan pa lang ng website is alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo. So here you can apply as a translator and may kita rin natin dito yung mga benefits sa kanilang website, So rated as best company to work with in PROS. So yung PROS kasi, guys, is a survey website, if I'm not mistaken. Ay may kita natin dito na meron silang iba't ibang mga translators from all over the world, Meron taga-Afghanistan, Poland, Japan, China, United Kingdom, France, Malaysia, ayan, diba? Indonesia. So for sure, as a Filipino, kung tayo is mag-a-apply dito is matatanggap din tayo, okay? Just in case that you are also, kung meron din tayo dito mga international viewers, you are welcome to apply dito sa kanilang website. Alright, so let's go back dito. Get paid end of the month as fast as an employee. O, diba? Kumbaga, may schedule na talaga yung ating sahod dito, yung pagtatanggap natin ng salary. Hundreds of interesting jobs assigned per hour. Free to decide your own rate per word. Free to work with us from anywhere and anytime. Tapos meron din silang free educational programs. So dito sa website din nila, pinagmamalaki nila na meron silang punctual payments. Nagpe-pay talaga sila on time. And professional PMS, interesting projects. Okay. So if you want to apply as a translator dito sa translated.com, you just have to click apply as a translator. And then madadirect na kayo agad sa kanilang sign-up page. Kumbaga, sabi dito, registration takes 10 minutes. We need your personal details, experience and skills, and languages and rates. So, kumbaga, more on magsa-sign up ka for an account. Tapos, pag nag-sign up ka for an account, magdadaan kayo sa mga test na kailangan. Kasi karamihan sa mga ganitong klaseng online job or website is hindi na dumadaan talaga sa actual interview. This is more on English test or kung ano man yung test na kailangan mong gawin. Naka-base no, sa result ng test mo yung progress ng inyong application. So, hindi na tayo magde-dwell in pa on process of application. You just have to sign up for an account and then just follow the instruction para mag-proceed na tayo sa next company na pag-uusapan natin, which is AmberScript. So, dito naman is you can become a transcriber, subtitler, or translator. So, dito hindi lang translator, pero meron na rin tayong job dito as a transcriber or subtitler. So, syempre, diba, if you're familiar with mga movies sa Netflix, makikita natin may mga subtitles sa baba. So, most of the time, yun yung kailangan natin gawin. Papakinggan natin yung words na sinasabi ng actor and then you will write it down. So, yun yung isa sa mga most common na job natin as a subtitler. Meron din namang mga kunyari, mga calls, phone calls na ibibigay sa inyo ng client na kailangan ninyong gawin in written form. So guys, meron naman tayong hack dito kung saan you will be able to do subtitling na nowadays, di ba? Using AI and other video editing tools na nakakapag-detect ng caption. So, it means mas madali na yung trabaho natin ngayon as a transcriber or translator. Unlike before, guys, no, talagang mano-mano. And karamihan pa rin ng company is hindi pa rin alam yung mga ganong bagay. At they don't have time to do research, no, regarding sa mga AI tools. And they still use, no, mga ganitong klaseng website para mas high quality rin naman yung result or output ng kanilang subtitles. Kasi syempre, kung iaasa mo lahat sa AI, hindi pa rin yun reliable. Kasi kahit ako na mismo kasi naglalagay ng caption sa mga videos natin, may mga errors pa rin si AI na kailangan kong i-double check. So kumbaga parang mas napadali lang with AI. Pero syempre, during the application process, wag natin i-mention yung AI thing kasi kailangan dumaan tayo talaga sa mismong proseso ng test, series of exams para ma-qualify tayo dito sa online job na ito. Okay? So, sabi dito is work wherever you want, have a flexible work schedule, and ang payout nila is every month, same with translated.com a while ago. And yung payment nila is via PayPal or bank transfer. Alright? Here are the rates, no, ng isang transcriber dito sa AmberScript. They're very transparent naman when it comes to rates. So, naka-euro sila dito, like 1.2 euro per audio minute, no? Hindi yung work mo per minute, pero yung mismong media file na kailangan mong i-transcribe. So, for captioner naman, guys, is 1.9, yung pinaka-maximum rate per audio or video minute. And for translating naman is mas mataas to, guys, kasi may involvement na siya na other language. 3.5 euro up to 6 euro per audio or video minute. So, guys, here are the frequently asked questions na pwede ninyong tingnan before you apply, no, dito sa online job na to. So, by the way, lahat naman ng mga links ng website na feature natin dito sa video na to ay nakalagay dyan sa description box below. Okay, so, syempre, kailangan may laptop and reliable internet connection. So, unfortunately, sa mga viewers natin na gustong mag-work lang sa phone, hindi pa rin siya effective. Kailangan talaga is you have your proper office setup. Okay? So, if you want to apply dito sa AmberScript, is you just have to choose what position you like to apply. So, meron tayo ditong transcriber, captioner, or translator. So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is i-click yung button na to para mag-start sa onboarding test. So, madadirect tayo dito sa website na to kung saan magsisimula na yung ating onboarding test. Kasi karamihan nga, diba, sa mga ganitong klaseng website is kailangan mong mag-create ng account, tapos dadaan kayo sa series of tests and doon nakabase yung progress ng ating application. So, hindi na ako mag-dwell in pa dito sa company na to and you just have to follow the instruction right after you sign up for an account. Okay? And right now is we are going to move on to the next company that we're going to talk about, which is the voicerealm.com. Ayan, nakalagay yung link dyan sa description box. So, ang work naman natin dito is doing voiceovers. So, voiceover meaning you will be a voiceover actor. Kung maganda yung boses mo, bakit hindi, diba? Mag-apply ka dito sa company na ito. Sabi nila dito is we are always on the search for voiceover talent that are in tune with the industry, who can offer the best quality sound and assure clients that they will receive the best service. So, dito lang naman sa website na to, napaka-basic lang ng website nila, madadirect ka na agad no, dito sa page na to kung saan you have to fill out their application form. Hinihingi lang nila yung personal information po natin. Of course, kung anong accent natin. Okay? So, mayroon tayo dito mga iba't ibang languages. Or even in English, if you want to become an English voiceover actor or actress, so ilalagay nyo lang kung anong accent ang meron tayo dito. So, dito guys, most of us no, mga Pinoy is neutral accent tayo. Pwede nating ilagay yung neutral. Pero if you're mas mataas yung skills mo when it comes in speaking in English, pwede nyo ilagay Australian, North American. So, kung ano man yung magiging output ng ating pagsasalita in English is pwede nyo ilagay yan dyan. Okay? So, most of the time naman na nakikita ko dito na customer sa Voice Realm or if I'm not mistaken, kahit saang voice-over companies pa yan, is North American accent yung laging ginagamit. So, yun nga lang guys, nangihingi siya ng years of experience kasi walang 0. 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 10, or veteran. Alright? So, just in case that you are working na as a voice actor, pwedeng-pwede kayong mag-submit ng application dito sa Voice Realm. And may kita rin natin dito yung mga reviews ng kanilang mga talents dito, yung mga nagvo-voice over. And may kita rin natin dito mga iba't ibang voice over jobs. Ayan transparent naman sila. Meron sila client looking for male, English, North American accent. Ayan, Australian, British, iba't ibang languages. And yung usual rate dito ay $125, $140, $175. So, malaki yung payment nila dito. And latest guys, yung mga job posts like kahapon lang o February 13, 12. So, ang maganda dito, active naman itong page na ito, kumbaga hindi siya napag-iiwanan. Kasi di ba may mga websites talaga na hindi na updated. So ito naman si The Voice Realm is naman siya, updated naman siya. So guys, hindi na tayo magde-dwell in dito sa website na to. Meron naman kayong freedom na mag-research regarding this website. And right now is we are going to proceed dito sa application page na to, which is We Localize. So actually, We Localize, this is an international website or company. And meron ako nakita sa kanilang online job na open for us Filipinos. So guys, si We Localize kasi sobrang dami niyang job openings. Like ang ginawa ko na lang is nag-find na lang ako ng Philippines. Mismo literal sa browser ko, Control F or Command F. Tapos Philippines, nilagay ko. Lumabas naman ito, 'di ba? So kung mag-a-apply tayo dito, ang ating position will be Ads Quality Rater. Kumbaga, nagbibigay tayo ng rates. Ganun lang, basic, 'di ba? Job title, Ads Quality Rater, pay rate based on task, approximately $4 per hour. So sabi dito, must be based in the Philippines. Tapos yung working hours natin dito, minimum commitment is 5 hours per week. O, diba? Nakakatawa kasi pwede kang part-time dito. And you can choose to work up to 20 hours per week. So, part-time pa rin. Kasi ang full-time, diba? 44 hours per week. So, part-time to, guys. So, ang start date will be ASAP. Oh, kailangan na pala nila ngayon. Employment type is independent contractor, freelance, or self-employed. And ang project duration is long-term. So, ang recruitment process dito, ang nakalagay is there is no formal interview for this job. No phone calls, no waiting, no wasting time wondering whether you got the job or not. O, diba? May assurance, nakakatuwa. Instead, you will be guided through a self-paced and automatic recruitment process. So, for experience and requirements, kailangan fluency in Filipino. Diba? Pasok tayo dyan. Strong understanding of English. So, yun nga lang. Kailangan marunong ka rin mag-English. Pero most of the Filipino people naman 'di ba? Gumagamit naman tayo ng English language kasi yan yung second language natin. Comfortable knowledge of modern popular culture, reliable computer system and internet connection, yun nga lang, bawal ang mobile phone, familiar with using online search engines like Google, Bing, kung ano man yung ginagamit natin most of the time. Sign a standard non-disclosure agreement and service level agreement. And please note that this work is based on project needs. So due to this, weekly hours may vary and flexibility with change is expected. You must be legally be able to work on freelance projects in the Philippines. Okay, so yun lang naman yung mga important points na kailangan nating malaman, no, dito sa job post ng We Localize. And ang maganda dito, guys, is hindi naman sila nag-require ng experience at hindi rin naman sila talaga nag-require ng education. Tapos wala pa siyang interview during the application process, 'di ba? Bongga. So ayan, once everything's okay, you can click on apply for this job. And dito makikita natin yung kanilang application form na kailangan i-fill out natin at mag-submit tayo. Okay? May mga ano lang naman dito, may mga questions lang na kailangan nating sagutan. So that's it, I guess, no, dito sa Ads Quality Rater. Magbibigay tayo ng mga rates. And right now is we are going to proceed sa website na to, which is Transcribe Me. Just like dun sa ating mga previous websites na feature dito sa video na to. So dito is you will become a transcriber. So ang sabi dito, monetize your downtime with the industry's highest pay. So dito naman sa Transcribe Me, ang minomarket nila dito is mataas yung binibigay nilang rates. Starting at $15 per hour, no? Audio hour, guys. Hindi working hours to, ha? Audio. And then monthly earnings average is $250. And as we scroll down, makita natin dito yung mga benefits. Like, yun na, mga flexibility, freedom, work anywhere, grow your skills and career. Ayan, nag-ano rin pala sila dito ng education, something like that. Makita rin natin dito yung mga freelancers reviews regarding this company. Okay naman siya. And then, getting started as a freelancer is simple. Yung application process, actually hindi nga to application process kasi more on sign-up process lang siya. Create an account, connect your PayPal, take the entrance exam. Ayan. So, gaya nga nasabi ko, wala ngang interview pero may entrance exam. And nakabase dun yung progress ng application natin. And yan, once everything's okay, you just have to click on Start Freelancing. And then, madadirect tayo dito sa website where you have to sign up for an account. Actually, okay nga to kasi dati, hindi sila open for applications. Pero ngayon, no, pwede ka na mag-sign up for an account. Dati kasi talagang wala. Hindi mo makiklik yung sign up. So, ngayon is open sila for this type of position. As a freelancer, guys, ha, hindi kayo employed dito. Freelancer lang siya. So, ito naman, guys, is being a transcriber. Hindi kayo magta-translate dito. Kung ano lang naman yung naririnig ninyo sa audio file or sa video file, is yun lang naman yung kailangan ninyong i-type. Type what you hear. Ganun siya. Alright, so right now is we are going to proceed sa last company na pag-uusapan natin in this video, which is Remote Task. So dito naman sa Remote Task is more on micro task siya. Yung mga annotations, ganun, tutulungan nyo yung AI sa pag-detect ng mga items. So maraming mga ino-offer na trabaho itong si Remote Task. Gaya nga nasabi ko, mga microtask. Pag sinabing microtask, mga task lang siya na mabilis gawin. Ganun lang siya. Earn while doing online task from home. Sabi dito. Actually, nag-update na yung website nila. Matagal na tong si Remote Task eh. Nung nagsisimula pa lang ako sa online job, nandito na tong company na to. So, ito yung process, guys, of how to get paid. So, sabi dito, learn easily. Meron kasi silang educational platform dito. Like, parang training, complete task, and get paid weekly. So, sabi dito, ang kanilang payment, mode of payment is via PayPal or AirTM. So, for sure sa atin, no, is via PayPal tayo. So, as you can see, makikita na naman natin dito yung mostly na ginagawa dito sa Remote Task. Like, yung may mga pictures, magde-detect ng mga items, nasan yung car, nasan yung mga ganito, may mga tao ba dyan. So, makikita natin dito, based on difficulty, mas mataas yung payment nila. Siyempre, pag ganito na itsura ng trabaho natin, more on ano talaga yun. Ay mo, may tawag sila dito, may term na parang technical term when it comes to doing this task. Talagang ano na siya, tagusan na, no, yung kailangan yung kailangan yung i-detect na items. Okay? So here you can work from anywhere, anytime, and once everything's okay, you just have to click start earning today para madadirect tayo dito sa kanilang sign up page. So meron tayong option dito to connect our Google account or Facebook account. So guys, you can also do research, no, sa YouTube regarding Remote Task. Marami nang gumawa, guys, ng review dito na nagtrabaho na sa company na ito. Marami na rin guys naka-receive ng payment from this company. Well, actually, most of the companies naman na pinag-usapan natin, in-assure ko lahat na legit, no? 100% yung mga company na pinag-usapan natin kasi mga reliable sila and may mga napatunayan na may mga reviews. Legit reviews, guys. So, ayun, just to sum up everything, we will do a summary, guys. Unang pinag-usapan natin na online job is remarkable AI expert dito sa chat desk. So, hindi sila dito nag-require ng experience, hindi rin sila dito nag-require ng degree, no interview. Okay? So, next is being a translator dito sa translated. Wala rin siyang interview, wala rin siyang experience required. So, dito naman sa Amber script, ganun din, same. No interview, no experience required, non-voice. Itong tatlo na to, yung remarkable AI, yung translated, and this one, non-voice. Ito, may voice siya. Kasi voice over yung gagawin natin. No interview rin naman siya. Yun nga lang, sa application page nila, nagre-require sila ng at least 1 to 3 years of experience. So, dito naman sa We Localize, Ads Quality Rater, hindi rin sila nagre-require ng experience, basta Pinoy ka, is pasok ka, and hindi rin tayo dadaan sa interview. Same goes with this one, Transcribe Me. Open siya for all, and you will be able to apply here basta makapasa ka sa entrance exam nila. No interview, no experience required. And finally, dito sa remote task, guys, is no interview, no experience required din siya. Tapos, meron din silang mga training, no? Dito sa pagsisimula natin. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo pwede mag-work, no, na hindi natin alam yung ginagawa natin. Alright, so all of these positions or websites ay nakalagay dyan sa description box below if you're interested to apply. So, lahat naman nito, guys, is 100% legit. Hindi tayo magpa-promote dito, guys, ng scam. And guys, comment down below on what you think dito sa mga companies na pinag-usapan natin sa video na to. And pwede nyo rin comment dyan, no, yung progress ng inyong application. Siyempre, I would love to hear and we want to be updated kung meron na bang nakapasok. Okay? So, yun lang naman, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. And kung na-enjoy nyo ito, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga uploads. So, have a nice day. God bless and goodbye!